And hello, this is Thomas and Otting, and hopefully Sam will join us soon. And we're going to do some pair programming in Ruby on Rails and some JavaScript, and we're going to do some Jasmine testing or set up some Jasmine tests. And Jasmine is not in any way my strong side, so I hope that Sam will be able to join in and help me out a little bit. And what I've been working on today is, let me share my screen first. What I've been working on today was we are using a gem called Mercury to edit documents, for instance, like here. Well, I'm sorry, not this. Let's go to project overview. On the live site. This is on the live site. So this is what it looks like now. If I edit this document, and if I would like to attach a YouTube video to this document, the syntax required of me, the URL required of me, is the shortened one, youtube.b, with the identifier of the video, right, of the video file. But what we talked about together with Sam is that we could. There's not always a good workflow to be forced to grab this URL. Sometimes you just want to grab this one, the one that is in the URL field of your browser, and that URL is formatted in a different way. So what happens is when I try to enter this URL into the document, and I click Insert Media, I'm getting an error message, is invalid. So what I did is, I'm not the only one that encountered this problem. So what I did is that I went over to the GitHub repository of the gem, and simply actually asked this question, and I found already existing pull request from another developer that is dealing with this issue, this exact issue, and in true spirit of reusing somebody else's work, I basically just grabbed this code, and this was a CoffeeScript code, and that didn't help me much. So what I did, I just took this code and I rewrote it in plain JavaScript and added this code to a Mercury override file that I have here, and I also enabled. I require Mercury overrides in the Mercury JS file, which basically means that when I start this, let me stop this server first and restart it again on my local host. So if I go here, this is on my local host. Let me see if the server is up and running yet. Not quite yet. Waity. Those moments will be lost in time as tears are lost in rain. Even a few seconds can feel like an eternity sometimes.
An excellent quote.
Oh, you're with me there. Okay, I thought I was talking to myself there. Although I know I'm recording. But anyways, now the server is running. Let's reload this page. Yes. Let's see here if this is going to work now. Okay. So here I am. And now I'm trying to insert this media again. And remember, this is my local host. This is not a live site. So if I enter this long URL now and go for insert media, it actually inserts that file. So basically, we're up and running, right? And if we just check the HTML source here, so what he does, he creates an iframe with the source of HTTP YouTube, embed, then the identifier, and this vmode transparent, right? So that's what happened. So what I tried to do here in documents feature, I was working with creating a cucumber step, a cucumber test, so scenario is insert media model accepts full URL YouTube links, and I'm passing all those steps here, except the last one on the 166. I should see a video with source and the way this is inserted within this Mercury editor, and it doesn't seem to be there. Perhaps I'm doing something wrong with this suffix within the Mercury editor. Perhaps on the document body. Yeah, perhaps. Perhaps that's the problem. Because if we run the test now, that's the features document feature 158. So okay, this is the step definition, which is very similar to the one I should see an image with source, you know, that are already in use in some other test in the same feature. If you have a look at 153. But anyway, let's see what he says when we run the test. Hubba. Waity. Come on, baby, give it to me. Oh, it passed. Okay, then there is no problem. It wasn't passing for me just a moment ago, so but it passed now. So wonderful. So that's taken care of. Great. But the thing is that we should test this with Jasmine because we're introducing new JavaScript code, and that's where hopefully Sam or Sabrit is here as well.
Yeah, by the way, Thomas, that cucumber bug was a stupid mistake on mine. Like, I've just submitted a pull request. I'll submit in a minute. So what happened was, like, there's this, we are using VCR to stub out our requests to the live data, right? And like, I created a hook for that, and I basically forgot to add it to the top of the cucumber file. So
Okay.
when Brian submitted his pull request, like his commit count increased from 388 to 389, and the request wasn't getting stubbed out. So stupid.
Okay. So all right, I got it. So you actually checked for all right. Okay. So are you submitting a pull request for that to fix that?
Submitted right now.
Okay. I can merge it in right after it.
Yeah. After 16 minutes.
All right. Okay.
Stupid bug.
All right. Hi. Hi, Sam. So I did. I just I kind of fixed this this problem you had with long URLs, and there's a cucumber test for it. So you know we accept. Actually, you know, Sapriti filed a issue on Mercury GitHub repository, you know, and I was just browsing through the outstanding pull request, and there was this guy. He already addressed this issue once. Right. There is a pull request with this, with a fix for this written in CoffeeScript, and I thought, why bother, you know, rewriting anything? So I translated that CoffeeScript into JavaScript, and created a Mercury override file in our, you know, in website one. Added this you know, just added this code, and what this code does, it's a slightly different way to handle that you know, insert media model.
Mm-mm.
And well, you know, it's also required now by Mercury JS, the file that initiates the Mercury editor.
Okay.
So and it's working, and the cucumber step is passing. You know, it's green.
Yeah. Right.
But I feel that since I'm including a lot of you know, JS,
yeah,
we should probably test this
yeah,
with Jasmine.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So that's where I am right now.
Okay. Yeah. Do you, something has just come up that I've got to go and deal with. Do you want to push the what you have on a branch? If you want to like IM me that branch thing, I will look at it and I will get an angle on the JS.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Yeah, sure. It's gonna be yeah. I'm gonna.
And you're gonna stay in this room? I'll maybe be back. I'll be free again in about half an hour. Something just came up, so I've got to step out.
Sure.
Yeah.
No
okay.
problem.
But yeah, IM me the branch.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I will.
All right. Back in a minute. Oh, in half an hour. All right. Also, bye for now.
Yes, to long cube let's see. Push Mercury. Let's just have a look at my repository here. And we are to website 1. Yes. Mercury. So Sam, here is the link to my feature branch. Oh. Okay, so that would be it for now. So how are you guys doing? Huh?
I'm fine.
Good. Who's with me here? Is Sam Pretty still here?
Yeah, something just went into my eye, so not good. Not doing good.
Oh. Oh. Um, you see how you are doing on that pull request, Travis. Requests. Fix for cucumber bug. Not quite there yet. All right. So let's hope that this is that Sam will be around soon and can help us out with this stuff. Craig, is this anything you want to work on?
No, I don't have much experience with JavaScript, so I thought I'd just pop in and watch, to be honest with you.
See, I did it really. This was the simplest solution I could come up with. You know, I just reused all code that another guy, submitted.
Yeah, I
This
think this is
guy.
the best solution. Instead
Yeah.
of pointing to your own fork of Mercury, that this will be a better solution, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah. And he wrote this file here. You know, this insert media JS coffee. You know, in CoffeeScript. So what I did is I just went and used an online service to rewrite this in JavaScript, and I just cut and paste this basically into the Mercury overrides as a function, and it's working. So it's great. Probably it's a little redundant because we could probably remove some of these stuff, but I don't see a reason why it doesn't slow us down or in any way. So unless Sam wants to clear this out or something, I think we could keep it this way. And what it basically the big difference here is let's see here in validation. Let's see here. Where is that? Submit form. YouTube URL. Yeah.
No, not here, I guess. It was there was somewhere else. If you scroll up.
In return input value. Check YouTube, isn't it? This is it, right? He takes care of. He extracts the.
Yes, I think it just converts the if it's like youtube.com URL, it just converts it to YouTube. You like the shortened
YouTube.b.
version.
Yeah. So this is on line 94. This is what he returns. So he takes the video identifier, right, and just and converts that, to this because video. Yeah, he says video URL match, blah blah blah. Yeah, right after everything that is after the V plus, right? And yeah.
I think like we could just remove a lot of this. It's not required, but
Yeah.
since
I
you're
mean,
moving
the
it
only thing that he calls this method someplace
in the main
uh,
function.
from the main function, yeah. So we need the main function and we need this. The rest of this is not necessary, I guess. But yeah, if you feel like clearing this up, you can you saw the link to my repository, right? So we
Yeah.
can ping pong this if you like. Some pretty. So, Craig, do you feel like working on something in website 1? You want to have a look in Pivotal Tracker?
Possibly. How's that for non-committal?
Yeah, well, I take it as a no. No problem.
No, I don't. If there's something little, then possibly, yeah.
Well, how are you with no, he did not provide any tests. Hold on a second. There was no tests. Nope. It's gonna hold on a second here. I'm just gonna paste the link to this. Here's his code. Yes. Do we have Jasmine tests on Mercury? Sampriti, do you know that?
Probably not, since we weren't doing much with Mercury. We are just using the default stuff. But you
Well,
can
the
have
only
a look.
thing we actually did in Mercury was we created a new
Cucumber.
save button
Yeah.
once.
Can you just go down and check? I'm not sure though, because
Mhm.
I'm not too into the Jasmine stuff, because I don't really know Jasmine and all that stuff.
Hmm. I don't even know where to find the Jasmine.
JavaScript spec/JavaScript spec. It's in spec/JavaScript.
There we are. Hangout button.
Nah.
Hangout doesn't. No. Okay. So no, we don't have any. Yes. Oh, he's asking whether it was cached with VCR, but so your answer to this will be I missed the hook, right? Do. So I'm just gonna merge this pull request of yours, okay? So pretty.
Sure.
Yeah. All right. So now we're gonna build this, and then after that we can build Brian's code, and we have Google. No, I mean New Relic Analytics installed.
Yeah. That will be useful because I had once I think, yeah, that story has been pending for a long time.
About.
New Relic.
Well, actually, I added this story just a few days ago.
Okay, interesting. Then I thought that
Perhaps
there was a.
the. Oh.
I thought I had a. I remember adding a story 2 or 3 months ago.
Hmm. Oh no, there's only one about New Relic.
Okay, then never mind.
But perhaps you thought about it. I mean, I thought about this a while back. I think you and I talked about it once. I think, but never mind. I think it's a useful thing. Let's see what he says. I will check on this branch around actually make it test rather than creating your own here. Okay. Well, uh, okay. I mean, boom, 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 boom. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see here. Let's go. So, what kind of tests did JavaScript? Spec of Mercury fixtures. There we go. No, upload the tooltip type status. But I see no light view spec of models here. Insert media spec JS coffee. Clicking already about in the label before each insert media initialized. Say first next insert. Yes, yes. Checks the correspondence to YouTube URL. Expect now YouTube get checked. An existing image. Aligning options. Ah, here it is. An existing. Space. Check equal true. But this doesn't kind of. This this test doesn't. This is not testing what format the URL could be in. But you don't know Jasmine testing, you say. Where are we? Here we are. Around line 72. Here, validating first. Media image. Validating. Oh. It triggers an action with the proper media YouTube value. Jasmine. Okay, so this should be it. Okay. So yeah, we would have to rewrite this test and just embed foo. Yeah, okay. Never mind, we could do that. So I would do like, okay, no problems. I can reuse, but I would rather. There we go.
So are you looking to mock the call so that it calls with a certain URL and returns another one? Is that the idea?
Yeah,
or-
well, first of all, we have to just test whether he accepts the long URL.
Okay.
Because there seems to be tests for him to already accept the short ones. So let's see, what is it? Try coffee. What is it? Try coffee. Coffee script.org. So I'm just gonna do the same thing again. Oh yes. But we need to. But we need to fix this now. I was thinking. Peer. Good code take long time to merge, and I was under the impression that you want to fix this problem ASAP. But if cucumber tests never mind that. And coffee, try coffee script. So let's see here. I don't quite understand what he means right now. So Preeti, are you following the conversation on website 1? Could you?
Okay, let me have a look. I had gone away from
I
it.
understand.
On website 1, by do you mean like? Okay, the chat.
Yeah.
I think he's talking about like instead of adding a code test for Mercury stuff, we should instead have like we should just keep our Mercury overrides as it is without a test because.
So, but does he mean that I shouldn't insert, I shouldn't add this Mercury override code, or I don't.
See, like you're testing Mercury functionality right now, right? And you're just overriding a part of it. So he was talking, I think what he meant was that instead of writing Mercury tests in our app, we should just submit a pull request to them for adding the tests. And I mean, for the problem, I think we could just do a solution as small as possible. That's what I understood.
Okay.
Although you should clarify from him when he comes back.
Yeah, perhaps. Yeah. There you go. There we're gonna just add this. See, because what we want to do is this is tested, so we need to change this to this. This is the good stuff here. Media doesn't, when editing what? Describe an existing image, doesn't matter. Can move that. An existing YouTube video. Okay, an existing YouTube video. Focusing on input. We don't need that because it's already click and ready button and label. No, we don't need that. Here we have before each models intermediate HTML, so time of models. Okay, blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. So we have here when editing is before if I. So we don't need to edit. We need to validate and submit. So validating, submitting function, blah blah blah, doesn't mean unless it's valid. How's the model? It doesn't submit. There you go. Phone. Trigger an action with the proper values. So hubba with the YouTube URL. So my understanding is that perhaps this should be enough. Okay. So how do we run the Jasmine test? Jasmine CI? No. to most of the time. How do I run Jasmine tests?
Run rake Jasmine, bundle exec rake Jasmine, and then open
Oh.
up the browser. Just bundle exec rake Jasmine.
Jasmine, like this?
Yeah, if you want to see it in your browser, do Jasmine. If you want to do it in the command line, add a CI to it.
Okay. And how do you know how I specify just a single file to run? But because now I'm running all the Jasmine tests, right?
Yeah, I don't think you can't do that with rake Jasmine CI. I think you can only do that with rake Jasmine, and then you go to the browser, something like that. I am not too familiar.
Okay. Yes, fixture, of course. That is passing. When is passing? That binds. Retention time. Pull request Jackson Mercury. Disinspection. Pull request 102. But there was no test in that pull request. So that's weirdish. Spec Mercury. Let's see here. Why would he? Huh. Okay. What? Still can't find that. What the hell? Ability to display an arrow insert media quality. YouTube. I don't know about this, so that's what I mean. This is like fixture load. Well, how do they load fixtures here? Initialize, return this Mercury model handlers, whatever. Handle specs, set fixtures handbox. Oh, set fixtures handbox. No, this is not the one. Accordion collapse, set fixtures. Okay, that's not a fixture. Set fixture. Hmm. Fixture load, insert media. Fixture load. But what? Let's see here. Jasmine, fixture load.
They don't go in the same directory as the spec fixtures, do they?
No, they
No.
shouldn't. They should be in. That's why I moved it to the JavaScript's fixtures. You know,
Okay.
since we're calling this from here, that's what I. And he, you know, in his code. Let's see here. He was. What is that? What the fuck? Fixtures. Yeah, he had this. You know, his fixture was in Mercury models. You know,
Mm-hmm.
and if you have a look at Mercury and models insert media, you know, so he says Mercury models insert media. So he doesn't have fixture. You know.
Yeah.
So it's kind of understood that fixture is in fixtures.
Oh, hang on, no, but that's not in a fixtures directory at all, is it?
Well, actually, it is. You know, if you know Mercury models insert media, right? So in JavaScript and fixtures, when you actually, yeah, Mercury and models, and that's the.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yep.
So that's why I reckon that we should just have it like if we have fixtures and no other subdirectory, you know, then
Yep. It should be there.
yeah, and just let's see,
You've
insert.
got a / there, though.
I know, I tried without it as well.
Oh, okay, sorry.
I know. Oh. Well, we can try without it again.
No, if you've tried it.
I don't remember now, actually, so let's try it again. Let's see what it says. Well, it's the same thing. Can't find our fixture in HTTP local. Line 3, reference error. Can't find variable fixture. Can't find variable fixture. But the thing is that in other, we use, no, we use, what do we use?
Okay, so it's not the path, is it? It's the actual use of fixture.
I think it is. I would say, oh, what the fuck? They're using set fixture someplace. Set fixtures. Is he here? So let's see if we can use that instead. Set fixture. Let's see here. Jasmine, jQuery. Jasmine using Jasmine. Load fixture. Oh, here we go. Load fixtures won't work, he says. Why? Before each fixture. No. What why can't we? Okay, hold on a second. Oh,
It says you just need to execute load fixture plus fixture name. Let me send you the. I don't know whether this is true or not, but let me
sure.
put the chat. I put a link in the chat for you. First answer.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know whether that helps.
Yeah, but Jasmine fixtures, yes. So you see here in Jasmine fixtures, he has this example fixture, right?
Yeah.
So when he calls it, he's just load fixtures example
Yeah.
fixture. So that's the proper. Oh. So I would say load.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if that kind of settles it. Oh no, but you see that? Oh, but that fixture it's a variable. You see? So I would say fixture equals load fixtures, right? I mean, or
Yeah.
var. Because we should get an error on line 11
Yeah.
somehow now. You see, because this is like, just taken straight out of CoffeeScript, because it realized that the interpreter is not the best one either, I don't know. Let's see what. Okay, so line 4 now. Mercury region null. Okay, so that's a completely different error now.
It looks like load fixture's working, but we don't. Obviously, it's not got as far as that call to fixture anyway, because it's failing on the.
And config, but this is not. Perhaps I don't know if we even need this right now. Because the only thing is this extend this model marking model from is a hide this model blah 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 fixture. This model spy on Mercury region null, and there is nothing like Mercury region Well, I wouldn't bother. Let me just this timeout. Let's see what's gonna. I need to. I just want to run this particular Jasmine. No. How can I see Jasmine run only one test? One spec in Jasmine JS. Describe my spec. New spec, my spec. Huh? Oh, I need to take this phone call. Hold on. Yo, baby. I'm just trying to find out how I can run only one spec, you know, so I don't have to run the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm looking at that too, and
it doesn't seem to possible actually.
No.
So unfortunately. Let's see what he says now. We should get at least on line 10 now. Apart from all others. Let's see what he says there. Undefined is not a function. Undefined. You see, I don't know anything about this, you know. So this is like complete. I was hoping that we could, you know, just reuse some of the tests, but this is like, you know, I don't know jack shit about this thing. So, because the only thing we want to do is it feels like a simple thing, you know, that we want to run this and and just ask him to provide certain. I mean, for me, it's enough with the cucumber step. I'm just checking whether when I provide a long URL and it seems to be working.
Yeah.
So that should be enough. So I'm not sure. I don't know.
I think I need to brush up on some Jasmine skills, to be honest with you.
Yeah, me too. Because this doesn't mean shit to me, basically.
I'm in the same boat, and it's something that's not going to go away. So I'm going to have to skill up at some point.
See, I was thinking that if I could reload scripts user, reload website one user's in it prevents PC. I don't even know if we need to this Python. I mean,
yeah.
Okay, let's say that we insert media, extend this model, Mercury model, insert media, Mercury instance, document. I don't know. I'm just gonna remove all this. I have a fixture right now. Here,
Yeah.
This insert media, initialize, return this, trigger spy on spy. But this is gonna.
It's gonna have a shit fit there, isn't it?
Yeah. Because we want to run this validator and this YouTube video, but I don't know if I need any more fixtures or anything else.
Yeah.
For instance, he has does he have? Fix in JavaScript support. Here you go. So what is this? Event simulation, for instance. I don't even know if I need this.
Yeah.
Type of key code. Blah blah blah. And what else does he have here? He has support specs helper, coffee, require Mercury, require specs, event simulation, require Mercury. Dialogues, models, dialogue, light view, model, HTML. Here we go. Style, Mercury. Here we go. Something else. Perhaps he's missing this.
Yeah.
So there's no easy way to do this, I think. Unless we write them from scratch, basically. And that's why I wanted Sam's help, but he says that it seems like he's not interested in doing that for some reason. And see, also, I don't think we should put in too much work into Mercury and submitting pull requests to their repositories, because this version of Mercury is about to be deprecated anyway.
Okay.
So, yeah, I'm just gonna go and git reset. Oh. This should disappear for me. Or not. Huh? I thought git reset would.
Isn't it git reset minus hard or something?
A capital letter or small?
Oh, I don't. Git reset.
Yeah. That was it. So let's reload this. I'm going to reload this. Okay, so what if I go git status? Okay, so git status. Oh, there you go. Now they should disappear. Oh. Oh, do I have to remove them? Okay, never mind.
If you want them to set back to normal, you can do git checkout minus in the name of the file, can't you?
I guess, but I'm just gonna delete those now. Delete. Okay. Okay, so that should be it.
I've got to go and take my little girl to school now, so I'm going to have to disappear.
I'm gonna turn this one off as well. Thanks for sticking by, and you know, if there's anything that interests you in website 1, just give me a shout out, you know, and we can pair on it.
Magic. All righty.
Alrighty, take it
See
easy.
you around. Cheers. Bye bye.
Cheers. Cheers.